What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. If you're into battery pack building, DIY electronics, e-bike repairs, or spot welding projects, today's gadget might be exactly what you've been looking for. This is the FNIRSI SWM-20 Smart Spot Welder. It's a portable handheld spot welder that promises up to 1200 amps of welding current, dual pulse welding technology, over 10,000 levels of power adjustment, and even a built-in power bank function. But can a compact device like this really deliver professional-level welding performance? Today we'll unbox it, explore its features, test it on nickel strips, and find out whether it's worth your money. Let's get started. Unboxing. Here's the package. The first thing I notice is that the device looks quite compact and portable compared to traditional spot welders. Let's open the box and see what comes inside. Inside the package, we get the FNIRSI SWM-20 Spot Welder, a pair of welding pens, extra replacement welding tips, USB Type-C charging cable, nickel strips for testing, user manual, everything is neatly packed and well organized. The build quality feels solid right out of the box. The housing appears durable and the overall design looks modern and professional. First look. Taking a closer look at the device, the front features a large 2.4-inch TFT color display. This screen displays important information such as battery voltage, temperature, welding power settings, pulse parameters, system status. On the top, we have the Type-C charging port, which supports charging as well as firmware upgrades. The control interface uses a rotary encoder knob, making navigation and parameter adjustment quick and precise. The welding pens connect securely and use pure copper electrodes for maximum conductivity and efficient heat dissipation. Overall, the design feels much more premium than many portable spot welders available in the market. Key features. Now let's talk about the specifications. The biggest highlight is its 1200 amp peak welding current. That's a serious amount of power for a portable unit. FNIRSI has equipped the SWM-20 with dual pulse welding technology. So how does that work? The first pulse acts as a cleaning pulse. It removes oxidation and improves contact between the nickel strip and battery surface. The second pulse performs the actual weld. This results in cleaner weld spots, stronger weld strength, and more consistent performance. Another impressive feature is the ultra-fine power adjustment system. Instead of a few fixed power levels, this welder offers more than 10,000 adjustment levels, allowing extremely precise tuning based on the material you're welding. For advanced users, it also allows adjustment of preheat time, pulse duration, pulse interval, continuous welding settings. This level of control is rarely seen in portable spot welders. Material compatibility. According to FNIRSI, the SWM-20 supports multiple welding materials. These include nickel-plated steel up to 0.4 millimeters, steel up to 0.5 millimeters, pure nickel up to 0.125 millimeters, iron up to 0.3 millimeters, copper and nickel-plated copper up to 0.1 millimeters, This makes it suitable for a wide range of battery pack projects and repair jobs. Whether you're assembling lithium battery packs, repairing e-bike batteries, replacing smartphone batteries, or working on DIY energy storage systems, this device has you covered. Battery and power system. Inside the SWM-20 are dual A-grade 5000 mAh battery cells. These high-capacity cells provide the current needed for heavy-duty spot welding. FNIRSI claims the device can perform up to 1,500 welding points on a single charge. For a portable welder, that's very impressive. The battery also powers the built-in USB output. This means the SWM-20 doubles as a portable power bank. If your phone, flashlight, or other USB device needs charging, this welder can help with that too. It's a useful bonus feature for technicians working in the field. Safety features. When dealing with high-current equipment, safety is extremely important. The SWM-20 includes 8 protection systems: over-temperature protection, under-voltage protection, overcharge protection, over-discharge protection, short-circuit protection, voltage stabilization protection, low-temperature protection, impact protection. There's also an adjustable auto shutdown timer ranging from 0 to 99 minutes. These protections help prevent damage to both the device and the batteries being welded. Welding test. Now comes the exciting part. Let's test the actual welding performance. For this test, I'm using the included nickel strip. The welding pens feel comfortable in hand and the copper tips make solid contact with the workpiece. I'll start with a moderate power setting, position the electrodes on the nickel strip, and trigger the weld. And there we go. The weld spots look clean and evenly formed. Let's do several more welding points. The consistency is impressive. The dual pulse technology appears to be doing its job because the weld marks are uniform without excessive burning. Now let's perform a pull test, trying to remove the nickel strip. And as you can see, the strip tears before the weld breaks. That's exactly what we want to see from a quality spot weld. The bond is strong and reliable. For battery pack assembly, that's a very encouraging result. User experience. After spending some time with the SWM-20, a few things stand out. The display is bright and easy to read. The rotary knob makes navigation simple. Parameter adjustments are fast and intuitive. The device feels responsive and professional. Unlike many budget spot welders that only provide a handful of power levels, the SWM-20 gives much greater control over the welding process. This flexibility makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Beginners can use preset settings. Advanced users can fine-tune parameters for specific materials and battery types. Pros and cons. Let's summarize the pros and cons. Pros: powerful 1200A output, dual pulse welding technology, large color display, precise parameter adjustment, portable and compact design, built-in power bank function, high-capacity battery, good welding performance, multiple safety protections, firmware upgrade support. Cons: copper welding capability is limited compared to industrial welders. Beginners may need some practice to optimize settings. Charging speed is limited to 5V 2.1A. None of these are major deal breakers considering the price and portability. Final verdict. So, is the FNIRSI SWM-20 worth buying? In my opinion, yes. For DIY enthusiasts, battery builders, repair technicians, and electronics hobbyists, this is one of the most feature-packed portable spot welders currently available. The combination of 1200 amps output, dual pulse technology, intelligent controls, long battery life, and power bank functionality makes it a versatile tool for workshop and field use. It delivers strong welds, offers professional-level adjustment options, and remains compact enough to carry anywhere. If you're serious about battery pack building or portable spot welding, the FNIRSI SWM-20 is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check current pricing or learn more about the product, I've placed the buying link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future electronics and tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.